when the music goes on. We turn around the chair and the music stops. We need to go to the chair. And then we take off the chair and then we do it again. If somebody doesn't have a chair, then we sit on the bench and they lose.
You do it while dancing?
Yeah.
Okay, that's so bad. Are we gonna start the game?
Yeah, I usually can.
Okay, take a balloon. Yeah. And you paint decorate with the face. I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh.
We've got a face everybody that way, so we can
This way.
record.
Because it has boogers and stuff. You Kaya, this one is for you. No, leave it because we're trying to take pictures. Come, look, this one is for you. Kaya, I even draw your boogers. Look. Venus here. That work?
Yeah, the edges are outside the letters.
Do you want to sit? Where do you want to sit? Tu mets ta main. But do you balloon?
Oh, right there, where's my balloon?
Oh, hands in the air!
See if it'll work if you just put your hand up with that. See?
Right now? I think it's only right now.
It only recognizes me for some reason. We're gonna pop the cork and I'm gonna get you in slow motion. Stand over here.
Okay.
Ready? Wait. No, you don't shake it.
Why?
Because then it's really gonna explode.
That's what I'm trying to do.
As in, like, you're gonna hit the juice on the seal. No, don't shake it anymore. Stop. Stop. Please. Alright. But you have to loosen the thing. Wait. Hold on. You have to. Let's just. Never mind. Why am I trying? Okay.
I did.